Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'm gonna make me a tuna fish sandwich, and I have some chips and I have some lemonade. So here's the bread I'm using. Boom. It's some good bread, you guys. Really good bread. Really good bread. It's good for French toast, sandwiches, grilled cheese, and the works. Look at the thickness on it. Okay? So I'm gonna make me some tuna fish. So I hope your afternoon is going well. Mine is going great. My tuna fish is all good and cold now. I'm just going to spoon some on here and spread it on here. Like I said, this is the tuna fish that has the jalapeno in there, you guys. Yes, indeed. Make sure all your edges is covered because this bread is thick. My tuna fish. Okay. Now some people like their bread toasted. Here's my chip here. This is my tuna fish. Okay. Big got food everywhere. That baby got food everywhere. So I'm gonna cut my sandwich. Ooh. Okay. Cut sandwich. Okay. Lemonade. So I'm finna go back in here and watch A&E, you guys, and I will be back later with another video. Bye bye for now.